Do you want to achieve even and perfectly flat floors and wall coverings? Mapelevel Systems is a complete range of tile leveling systems for quick and perfect installation of all types of ceramic and stone tiles, even in the most difficult cases such as installation of large format tiles. Mapei's wedge and screw leveling systems for a perfect tile installation in less time and with less effort. Mapelevel systems are easy to install and remove. They eliminate lippage between adjacent tiles quickly and accurately. In wedge leveling systems, the different colors of the spaces identify different thicknesses, corresponding to the width of the joint, to help tilers choose the correct spacer. Mapelevel Pro WDG system is the wedge leveling system applied using special pliers. It adapts to tiles up to 20 mm thick thanks to two different spacer models. The shape of the wedge makes it even more resistant and durable over time, reducing unnecessary waste of plastic material. Mapelevel ECWDG system is the wedge leveling system for tiles from 3 to 12 mm thick. Thanks to its special ergonomic shape, the wedge can be inserted more easily into the spacer clip, making application easier and faster. In screw leveling systems, the exclusive design of the caps with large side openings allows the installer to verify in real time the correct leveling of the tiles. They can be used with any type of tile up to 21 mm thick and adapt to any installation pattern, thanks to the complete range of colored spacers available: linear, X and T spacers. Mapelevel Easy system is the screw leveling system. Thanks to its special rapid screwing system, it significantly reduces installation time. Mapelevel Easy Click system is the quick application and quick removal leveling system by Mapei. Thanks to its special click system, the cap can be inserted on the spacer without screwing, considerably reducing installation times. The spacers are all designed to break off perfectly just below the surface of the tiling, and the wedges and caps can be easily recovered and used again. If it is necessary to carry out small adjustments when installing tiles up to 17 mm thick, it is possible to choose Mapelevel Easy T. Used in combination with traditional leveling systems, in addition to or in place of existing elements, it allows to eliminate residual lippage from small, localized areas without having to lift the tiles. Mapelevel Easy T is a completely reusable leveling system. Mapelevel for even and perfectly flat floors, perfect tiling in less time and with less effort. Find out more at mapei.com.